Supporting survivors. Improving systems response. And creating social change. It is the never-ending mission of the Sexual Trauma Awareness and Response Organization, otherwise known as STAR. The vision of STAR is to build a healthy community free from oppression and sexual trauma. Formerly, the Rape Crisis Center was established in 1975 to serve sexual assault survivors and their loved ones in the greater Baton Rouge community. STAR endeavors to impact lives across the nation, serving survivors of sexual trauma across America. Rachel Hebert is the president and chief executive officer of STAR.
What most people don't know about STAR is that besides providing excellent survivor services, we also focus on social change. So that means that we're really looking at the broader community and really trying to impact people before sexual violence occurs.
STAR is important for a variety of reasons. Specifically, I think because it helps to provide a voice for people that at the moment are voiceless, and it also helps to get people through a very dark time in their life and network them and give them the resources that are necessary to sort of facilitate that process for them.
STAR is such an amazing organization because of all of the services it provides to the community. I like to say, unfortunately, in a way, that we're the best kept secret in Baton Rouge because all of the things that we do for survivors of sexual trauma, we really need to make that more aware to the community and to survivors out there that they can come here for help.
STAR is a multifaceted organization featuring services that include advocacy, counseling, and legal representation for STAR survivors. In addition to the many services offered by STAR, they also offer support services for survivors, including dealing with the systems that survivors may encounter, such as the legal system, the medical and mental health providers, and schools and universities.
STAR as an organization is so important because we are the link between survivors and sort of the healing process.
We are a safe space. We are going to be supportive. We are going to believe you. We're going to provide services that are going to help somebody, feel more empowered to move forward and recover.
Serving survivors of sexual assault is important because the system lets them down. Because as of now, survivors who report to police, who go through the criminal justice system, who do the things that they're supposed to do, have worse outcomes than those who never tell anybody. And that's not okay. That's not an okay thing.
STAR is changing lives of not just survivors, but of the volunteers that are involved in this organization and of the general public that is able to be educated about such an important topic.
Most people shy away from the topic of sexual violence because it's such an ugly truth in our culture. But the more we talk about it and the more we promote healthy solutions and healthy alternatives, especially to our youth, we know that we're really making an impact so that we're actually preventing sexual violence from occurring.
It typically is a silent issue. People feel ashamed to talk about it. They feel like it's their fault that they were assaulted, and it's not. And we need to bring more awareness to the community to not blame the victims.
Funds donated to STAR help this organization serve the many survivors it encounters.
We need support in bringing awareness to this issue, bringing funds to the issue so that we can provide and continue to provide these services. And these are no-cost services to these individuals that seek our assistance.
Thousands of lives touched. Hundreds of families impacted. STAR is changing lives one survivor at a time. The simple message delivered by STAR to every survivor is that you are not alone.
If you're a survivor and you need help, there are people like myself that are trained and organizations like STAR right here in our community that can help you.
If you're a survivor, you have options. We believe you no matter what.
You are not alone.
We are here for you. If you or someone you know has been sexually violated, please contact us. Please reach out and know that help is here.
For more information, call the STAR Hotline at 1-855-435-7827. That's 1-855-435-STAR. The Sexual Trauma and Awareness Response Organization, helping survivors and changing lives.